Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this really super easy but at the same time beautiful and nice fitting hat. This time I decided to make it flat, so this hat has seam, but the seam is really nice. Look at it. I would say it is almost invisible when you stretch the hat. We will start knitting with simple ribbing, and then there will be as well ribbing, but we will slip one stitch without knitting, and that's how we will get this beautiful pattern. So there will be only 2 rows to repeat for the main part. Regarding the yarn, I don't have the label now, but you can check it on my blog. It is a vintage yarn, and I remember that it is DK yarn, so I'm going to knit with 2 strands holding together. You may substitute this yarn with medium worsted weight yarn, and here I'm going to cast on 77 stitches. You may cast on as well 81 or 83 and so on, any odd number. For this tutorial I am using 4.5 millimeters knitting needles. You may use circular, you may use straight, up to you, or whatever needles you have. If you're ready, so let's get started. Using long tail cast on method, cast on any odd number. In my case it is 77 stitches. Turn, and we start with simple ribbing. Slip the first stitch, and I will start with purl stitch. Let's start with purl stitch. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and so on till the end. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 till the end. Purl 1, knit 1. At the end we will always purl the last stitch and turn. Row number 2, we will knit all the knits and purl all the purls. So slip the first stitch, you see a knit stitch, then we knit it. You see a purl stitch, then we purl it. So we start this row with knit stitch, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So go on knitting till the end. At the end, do not forget, we will purl the last stitch, then turn and repeat from row number 1, and go on repeating last 2 rows until the ribbon reaches 5 centimeters approximately, and I will be back. I've done in total 10 rows, and if we measure, it is exactly 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Now we will start the main body pattern. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, slip next stitch holding working yarn in front. Again, purl 1, slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front. and repeat. Purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip, and so on. Please go on till the end. At the end, purl 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. On the wrong side, there will be just a simple ribbon. Slip the first stitch and knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So please go on and finish this row. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn and let's repeat the first row of the main pattern. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, slip next stitch holding working yarn in front, and again purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip. That's what you will get. Finish this row, and row number 4 will be the same as row number 2, just simple ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Go on repeating until the hat reaches 20 centimeters from the beginning. And here I am. So that's what I have. Let's measure. So it's 19 and half centimeters, almost 20, 19 and half. And we start shaping the crown. The first row, slip the first stitch, purl 1, and next 3 stitches knit 3 together. And repeat, purl 1, knit 3 together. And repeat, purl 1, knit 3 together. Great, please go on repeating purl 1, knit 3 together, purl 1, knit 3 together. So I did purl 1, knit 3 together, at the end purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn on the wrong side, row number 2, there will be just a simple ribbon, no decreases here, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 till the end. Go on knit until the end. At the end there will be knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 3, knit 1, now purl 1, and again we repeat knit 3 together. Again purl 1, knit 3 together. Purl 1, knit 3 together. Great, go on repeating till the end. At the end I did a purl 1, then knit 1 and purl 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn and row number 4, the same ribbon, slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit till the end, and at the end you will have knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Here I am, that's what I have. Now cut the yarn, leaving pretty long tail, but not too long. Great. Now thread the tail onto tapestry needle or yarn needle. And slip all stitches. We make a circle now. Great, pull. Pull, pull, close the crown. If you want, you may pull the tail underneath the same remaining stitches once more, so you decide. And regarding the seam, really easy, we will work between here bars, between selvage stitches here and here. So that's how we're going to insert the needle on one side. And the same on the other side. Here. And so on. Let's get started. Insert the needle into one stitch and pull it out through the next stitch. And repeat on the other side. Again, insert the needle into the same stitch where you pulled out the yarn previously and pull out through the next stitch. The same repeat on the other side. On one side and on the other side. Insert and pull out. Insert and pull out. Really easy and fast. Pull the tail a little bit, and here is the seam. Please go on seaming till the end. Here I am. That's how the seam is looking. I do really like. Not too bad, and when the hat is stretched, it will be almost invisible. Weave in ends on the wrong side. Let's join here. Here's another tail, sorry. And weave in. And pull, pull, pull. I have really long tail. Okay, cut the yarn and repeat for the second tail. Ta-da! The hat is ready. Do not forget to wash it and dry it flat. The crown looks really nice, no worries. You can add a pom-pom if you want to cover it, but even without pom-pom, it looks really nice. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you're looking for a written instruction, please check my blog. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video. Also tag me in your social medias if you decide to knit this hat. Thank you again and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!